Okay, we're here at Blacksmiths, and we have sinkholes and tunnels. Significantly dropping away just by the base of this telegraph pole, and it goes all along here, the foreshore, despite having the same as what Swansea has, as a suggested retaining wall with all the rocks. But here you have the fisho's catch of the day. So we have like 90 centimetre flathead and a bugger fish. Back to the sinkholes. That tunnel's somewhere way down. It's like I can see 2 feet depth. Another one dropping away. Oh, another tunnel. Unless we have wombats, and I don't think they're big enough for wombats, we have sinkholes by the telegraph pole of fish in Blacksmiths, and there over there you have Paris Apartments by Swansea Bridge and Swansea RSL.